In this video, I'll show you how to set up your preferences in Claude AI. This helps you customize how Claude works and responds during your conversations. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll move to the left sidebar and click Customize. This will open the customization page where I can manage Claude's preferences and tools. Here, I'll see sections such as skills and connectors. If I want to customize how Claude responds to certain tasks, I can click Skills and create or manage custom instructions. If I want Claude to work with other services or tools, I can click Connectors to connect supported apps. I can review these options and configure them based on how I want Claude to assist me. Once I've finished setting up my preferences, I can return to the main chat screen and start using Claude with those customized settings. And that's it. I've successfully set up preferences in Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.